This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Morrow. Great private location west/canal of the Savannas Nature Preserve in the back. Seller has installed new sliding type FL room windows in 2020, replaced air conditioner system in 2022. Both toilets were replaced west/Ada type. Full-size stack washer/dryer, some kitchen appliances have been changed. Seller added the copper potholder and the movable island for extra storage in kitchen. Condo comes furnished west/household items included. Unit needs some updating, therefore the lower price. Monthly condo fee includes water, sewer, basic cable TV, internet, trash pickup, lawn care, 24-hour manned gate, insurance on building, exterior and roof maintenance, all the amenities. Owner need only pay for electric, contents insurance and annul real estate. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Morrow at 772-979-1426.